Look where me and Nana have just landed. I'm about to show you a closer view. Do y'all hear that? Look how huge this thing is. There's a sound with it. It's a humming. Whoosh, whoosh. Look how huge those blades are. Look how dried up this land is right here. This is up close and personal with a wind turbine. You don't see this every day. I don't know if y'all can grasp the immensity of all this. Look at that box way over there. Look at that landing steel. That's got to be the electricity under this thing. Wow. That cool shadow out there. It is so windy right here underneath this wind turbine. This thing surely is generating a lot of power. Look where we all at now. We are almost like out in the middle of nowhere, but look how many wind turbines are all around us. There's another one right there. Very close. We had to get on the small dirt road to come here.